right, so not so far from our little shelter that we put together, we see something that, well, honestly, ticks me off. I'm sure it ticks off a lot of anglers and people, anybody that enjoys any time outside. So check this out. People are obviously here fishing, having a good time. Don't know if they caught anything. I don't really care. When they leave their spot like this, we didn't put this here. We found it. Cigarette butts, garbage, you know, it's crap, you know. Look at this, cigarette butts frozen in the ice. I don't know how we're gonna get that out of there, but come on, people. And you know what? Look at that. Look at that crap. You know, what the hell? When the ice melts, all this stuff is gonna go right into the lake. So if the person that left this site sees this video, you know, I don't really have to say anything, but you're an asshole. Plain and simple. And I'm pretty sure everybody will agree with that. So anyway, we're gonna get started on cleaning this up because that's what we do. We're not gonna leave a mess. Look at all that stuff we brought in. It's all gonna be gone when we pack up. Pick it up and get some gloves. I hate touching this shit.